where the hunt of socializing never ends. Now we come up to the introduction. 19 years old Harvard student started a company which not only transformed the internet but the way of nature of communication. Now in this presentation we will introduce you to Facebook, give a brief idea about its layout, followed by how they work and their achievements. Now, what is Facebook? Now, I'm sure every one of us are using Facebook, but many of us exactly don't know what Facebook is. Now, according to Facebook.com, Facebook is an online directory that connects people worldwide. Connects people worldwide, I mean to say that we can connect to our friends, family and co-workers anywhere and anytime. It's the fastest growing social networking site with over 500 million users using 70 different languages. Newsfeed means we get to know about the notification what our friends are doing in our day-to-day activities, and it keeps us updated socially. Now Kunal will come and tell us about the faces behind Facebook.
Faces behind Facebook. Facebook was founded in February 2004 by the Harvard roommates. Founders of Facebook were Mark Zuckerberg, Edward Savery, Justin Moskowitz and Chris Hughes. Mark Zuckerberg is the CEO of the Facebook. Edward Savery was the crucial member of the group. He gave the algorithm to the foundation of Facebook. Justin Moskowitz and Chris Hughes, they gave the push to the Mark Zuckerberg. Now Mitra will come and explain the importance of Facebook.
Thank you, Kunal. Now, basically how we know is that every social networking site needs contents, components. So I'll just explain you, I'll give you a brief idea for the components. First thing is the menu bar. It consists of the search bar wherein you can search for your friends, places, localities, anything. Then comes notification, messages, friend requests. Then you have timeline. Timeline is a personal information, personal profile. The next slide shows timeline. See, this is your personal photo. Cover photo is a background photo which you can keep for your friends to know. Then comes your photos, notes, likes about yourself. Coming down to the left hand side column, it has your favorite contents, news feeds, messages, events. Then your friends, close friends, you can categorize them close friends, families, etc. Applications such as games, YouTube player, and pages and groups you belong to. Then the left hand side column. Then comes the center column. Type your post here. You can see that. Then set your audience. Post your updates, and you can even like people's updates, your friends, families, colleagues, comment on them, like them, post them, tag them, share them again. Switching down your right hand side column, it has your events, then friend requests, find more friends. You can even add them randomly if you want, but that's not good. And right hand side of the column, that's all. Coming down to Suchita.
Now we come on to the features of Facebook. The basic feature of Facebook is it helps in connecting people. As I said before, it enables us to share information about our day-to-day activities and places where we go. And it gives us a platform to showcase our creativity and talent. And it also helps us to face the world in more different way and builds our self-confidence. Now Kunal will come and tell about the merits and demerits about Facebook.
Merits and demerits of the Facebook. Facebook is a virtual place for people to stay in touch with the world while connecting too much information about the Facebook user wish to receive. Being part of the group helps to enhance. Being part of the group helps to enhance more knowledge about the surroundings, and Facebook may also have unknown people with the fake IDs who false events lead to fraud and cheating. Makes it less awkward when we communicate with strangers. Normally we feel a bit awkward and uncomfortable when we communicate with strangers, but through Facebook we can talk with them very easily and comfortably. Love Attraction can be used as a dating service system. It has helped on a large scale eliminate caste, race, sex and discrimination. It also effective as you want to log in every time and every action of your life.
Rivals of Facebook, MySpace and Twitter. MySpace was launched in August 2003. MySpace was actually a social networking site for music. It also created a trend for creating URLs for companies and artists. The second one is Twitter. Twitter was launched in March 2006. The founder was Jack Dorsey. Twitter was an online social networking site and micro-blogging site for the user to overtake these three sites because it had more options, applications, and etc. National ranking. Facebook is ranked second in the global ranking. The first one was Google and the second one was Facebook. Who uses Facebook now? In order to sign into Facebook, you need a working email address. Everyone across the globe uses Facebook. The minimum age for Facebook is 13. Friends, loved ones, bosses, co-workers, even dogs have Facebook accounts. Now coming over to Ritesh.
Hi friends, I would give you an idea about the statistics. There are funny statistics you can see onto it. Monthly active users from 2004 till 2012. In the year when 2004 it was launched, there were 1 million hits. After that corresponding year, there was 600% growth into it. It went up to 6 million. After that, went on increasing. There was a high count to it, and it went on 2011. It went till 545 million, and at the year of 2012, it went to 1,000 million hits. It was a pride moment for Facebook. Next was the Facebook users' age. Now 13 to 17%. The school-going age kids are around like 20% of the Facebook associated. Later than it comes to 26%. The age group comes to 18 to 25 and 26 to 34, in which we also come into. After that it comes to 35 to 44. Then it comes to 35 to 44, there are 15% associated with it. Then 45 to 54, 8% associated, and 55 to 64. Old age is also have with them. It is about 5%. They are also on Facebook. Right? Facebook today. This is something we all are into. 870 millions of people log on to Facebook daily. Everyone do it. Same thing, photos are uploaded around like 300 millions per day. 84% of marketers' views are, it is important. FB is important. Basically, the main thing is that it gives you ideas about like new products, whatever launch on the Facebook, you can see through the Facebook. It helps to them. After every 60 seconds on a Facebook, what happens? Like 510 comments are posted. This is a survey done by the Facebook. 293,000 status are updated on Facebook in every 60 seconds, approximately. 136,000 photos and videos are being shared. A survey by eMarketer, it's a part of Facebook. They surveyed that around 53% gender-wise, female are the Facebook associated users and 47% are male. It's considerable. Next slide, please. This is the achievements of the Facebook. In May 18, 2012, it got listed in NASDAQ. NASDAQ is basically New York Stock Exchange Department. Next, it acquired 37 big and small internet companies into it. In 2008, Collins English Dictionary declared Facebook as its new word of the year. Every year they declare one new word. It was Facebook for the Facebook. It was a pride movement. The Mark Zuckerberg, he is the founder and CEO. The Time magazine, it is a business magazine, well-renowned business magazine. Mark Zuckerberg got the award for the person of the year of the time. Many of us use Facebook, but do you guys think that is it a second world for you guys? Is it a Facebook second
Yes or
world
no?
for you? Because we everyone after leaving the room, you guys would go onto Facebook, update for 2 days. What did you do? What did you? Where were you? All this you place, you look it into it. Aren't you or not? Are you part of Facebook or not? Next slide. The future of the Facebook is ahead. It's up to you guys whether the Facebook is to be taken or not. Thank you for everyone.